Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to answer the question, should we do resin art or not? Yes, we should do resin art if we take care of rules like wearing respiratory mask, hand gloves, transparent goggles. Wash your hands with resin clean. Take a little amount of the liquid and just rub your hands and wash your hands. You can also use a hand wash. And one more tip is, after washing your hands, you can take a little amount of poppy seeds in your hand and a little vinegar. Just rub thoroughly and wash it away. By doing this, your hands will become soft. So don't worry, just take care of the rules and enjoy resin art. So my keychains are ready to be customized. So like, share, comment and subscribe.